is California. Today we're camping. Tomorrow we're going home. Yesterday was the first day we came. Today's the second day. We couldn't make that video yesterday because it was,
Raining?
raining and it turned dark really quick.
And here's Amina. She just fell.
Crying because you fell out of the tent right now. And here's some hot dogs. Where's the other hot? Oh yeah. Okay. So yeah, this is hot dogs. Chicken hot dogs. They smell uncooked, but they're very good actually.
That's what you're gonna have for breakfast, a hot dog?
Yeah. I love hot dogs. Noodles.
You're gonna have, what are you gonna have, Ami?
Noodles. Noodles. And we can show you around the camp area after. So
We're
yeah,
gonna cook it on.
we got that yesterday, the day before yesterday.
So what are you gonna do?
So now we're going to fill some water because we wash our hands. This is what we do yesterday night. We went to the water fountain to fill these buckets up with water.
There's a small washroom there that we are not using because it has no lights.
It has bugs in there. Yeah, that's all covered with bugs. It's literally full covered with bugs.
The one we're using is a good big one that has nice clean washrooms and showers.
It's a doggy. It's a doggy.
Yeah, there's a doggy there. It's okay.
He looked at me.
All right, let's get to this.
So yeah, he just eating. He just looked at me and then here's the water fountain.
Do you know how to do it? I'm wearing slippers. Yeah, there you go. It's okay, Annie.
Let's go.
That's all you're gonna fill? After you rinse your bucket
Let's go
first.
back to the campfire.
Ami, wait for me, please.
Yeah, I think I've been...
Move back. Your feet are getting wet.
No.
Okay, now you can move closer. Now we're gonna start splashing. Hold it with two hands. The bucket.
I think I need a little bit more. I think I need a little bit more, Mama. Mama, I think I need a little bit more. I think I need a little bit
Okay.
more. Afiya went to the campfire by her own. It's over there. It's right over there.
Yeah, it's pretty close. That's why.
Really close.
I think I'm gonna need some help. What are you putting on, Abby?
Mustard.
Do you want me to help you?
Yes.
You don't want anything on it?
Yesterday you
Sure.
put a lot of stuff
You
on
want
it.
Nestea, Afiya? Iced tea?
Done. Ketchup.
Oh, these flavors
And
are
now,
pretty.
and then this is barbecue sauce. This is barbecue sauce, mustard, and this ketchup. And then barbecue sauce.
You want barbecue sauce too?
Yeah.
These burgers are really good. Got a sauce. What are you doing now?
Okay, 1 second.
You want mustard? You want mustard? Oh yeah, that's done.
Good?
This is not hot sauce.
Well, this garbage up for sure.
Plain hot dog for Afia.
That's a white hot dog. That's a white hot dog. Yeah, we're back. I'm washing the dishes. And she's done washing the this. And she's done washing this. I'm gonna dry it.
Yeah, Amina just dried. How many places did you dry, Ami?
I think I dry is 5.
Wow. Amina's so hardworking.
And I think I dried 5
It's okay, you can let it
and
fall.
I dried 4 cups I think.
4 cups?
It's all 3.
Wow, Ami, did you wash dishes for the first time today? Was it fun?
I didn't add soap at all. Like, I add soap and everything.
But add a little more soap. What happened to your pants there?
Nothing.
You fell, right?
Yeah, I was grandma's house. I was running and then the side, it's not connected, right? So it fall.
Yeah. That's
I
okay.
fell there too.
Afia's ripped 5 pants now by the knees. By just falling, right, Afia?
And by the other spots.
Mm-hmm.
Mama,
What? More mosquitoes on me?
no more mosquitoes. I'm gonna kill that one.
Kill that one then. Are you punching the mosquitoes?
What are you doing now?
Just cleaning it. She really wanted to do that.
I really want to do that too.
Oh, okay. You can do the next one. There's a mosquito on my phone right now. Okay.
Mama, Kids Club was fun. Did you even know there was a beach here? We're gonna go here. We're gonna go to the beach and let me show you my stuff that I have. Can you open the trunk?
Beach stuff?
Yeah. Can you open it?
Well, your bucket's over there because you guys put water in it, right?
But my shovel and bucket. My shovel is scraping. Mama.
I have so many mosquito bites on my forehead. How many mosquito bites do I have on my forehead?
4. Just 4 of them. He doesn't like it. Doesn't like it. These. Okay, so. This is my bucket. It's a castle. Did you even know? It had stairs. And then this is my shovel and scraper.
All right. Are you excited to try those out?
Yeah, and these are big ones.
Giant ones.
We're gonna go to the beach.
You're gonna go soon. Yep.
Want to put it in
1
there?
second.
You're not going to be able to pour it, Amina.
Okay, you guys can do it
Okay,
together.
watch out. This is what you're going to do. You're going to put it right here. And tilt it over.
Go, Ami.
Keep pouring it fast.
I'm decorating the castle. My mom did all this. I'm doing this right now. Papa, can you help me? So hi, we're back. It was fun. We went to the lake to go hiking. I don't know why she did that. Yeah, we went hiking. There's a fire. Look, right now we came back. My dad made a fire and we're sitting down now with blankets on. This is our mermaid blanket. And we're making what? We're making roast we're making s'mores and marshmallows. S'mores, yeah. S'mores. And marshmallows. But we're making s'mores with Nutella. And marshmallows. So we're eating I finished the dad room. We burned ours. Yeah, we burned ours. And fire was. And
might go bad, but
and there's fire on mine.
Uh-oh.
So my dad roasted first. And
These
my
are
mom put
small.
the chocolate and stuff. So
They're yummy.
yeah.
Look at my hand. I have a duck in my hand.
The marshmallow's not even fully in the graham cracker.
That's too bad. Just eat it.
It tastes so good.
Okay, next.
So yeah, this is the second day. This is the campsite. So we're here, we're fishing. We're watching fishes. Fishing.
Because he already has it on. Ours is broken.
Someone gave it to him, so we use it.
So he bought it. He bought it from the store.
Oh, he bought it. Okay, sorry. He bought it. So
You think people just go around giving worms out?
We need a worm. We need a real worm.
oh, broken.
That's okay.
Okay, so I'm not gonna open it, but maybe I'll show